Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. In today's video we'll take a comprehensive look at the development history and product lineup of Skydroid transmitters, from the brand background to the technological evolution of its three major product series, giving you a clear understanding of its upgrade logic and ecosystem expansion over the years. Skydroid Technology Co., Limited was established in October 2016 and is headquartered in Quanzhou, the starting point of the Maritime Silk Road. The company focuses on unmanned vehicles, unmanned boats, and complete system solutions. In this video, we'll systematically review the evolution of Skydroid transmitters. Currently, Skydroid transmitters are divided into three major series: the T-Series, H-Series, and G-Series. Each represents a different stage of technological direction and market positioning. Looking back to 2019, Skydroid officially launched the T-Series transmitters, featuring an integrated data video control design, ultra-low power consumption, and up to 1,000 meters of image transmission and control distance. Certified under European and American quality standards, the T-Series successfully entered the international market. It included the T10 and T12 models, both using a highly integrated 3-in-1 link design. Combined with FHSS spread spectrum technology and full-angle gain antennas, users could control aircraft and camera parameters within communication range. The T-Series supported both Bluetooth and USB connections, and was compatible with S.Bus, PPM, PWM, and serial interfaces. However, it did not feature a built-in screen, and the receiver only supported serial cameras, with a maximum transmission distance of about 1,000 meters, laying the groundwork for future upgrades. In 2020, Skydroid launched the H-Series, officially entering the era of smart ground stations with integrated displays. From H12, H12 Pro, H16, H16 Pro, to H20 and H30, the H-Series underwent continuous iteration and refinement for industry applications. The H16 transmission system adopted a new PingPi processor and Android embedded system. Combined with advanced SDR technology and a super protocol stack, it delivered clearer images, lower latency, longer range, and stronger anti-interference capability. It supported HDMI, Ethernet sensor interfaces, dual serial pass-through, SBUS, and more widely used in aerial photography, FPV security, firefighting, power inspection, surveying robots, and border patrol. The H16 featured a 7-inch 1800 nit industrial IPS display, visible under sunlight, supporting 1080p digital transmission. With dual antennas and frequency hopping algorithms, transmission distance reached 5-10 kilometers, while the H16 Pro extended to 20-30 kilometers, becoming one of the best-selling models at the time. In 2021, the H12 was introduced as a high-cost performance integrated ground station, powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 processor and Android system with SDR technology. Compared to the T-Series, the H12 featured a built-in display, enabling real-time video and telemetry viewing without external devices. Control distance reached 5-10 kilometers in open environments, serving drones, robotics, and industrial control equipment. In 2022, the flagship H30 further enhanced industrial-grade performance. Powered by the Snapdragon 660 octa-core processor and running Android 9, it featured an IP65 rated waterproof and dustproof structure. Equipped with a 10.1-inch 1920x1200 sunlight-readable touchscreen, it supported 1080p digital transmission and triple frequency bands, along with dual-band Wi-Fi. Interfaces included HDMI, SIM slot, Ethernet, USB Type-C, RJ45, TF card slot, PPM, dual serial pass-through, dual Ethernet, and SBUS output. It also provided SDK support and compatibility with mainstream flight controllers and QGC, supporting wireless RTSP video streaming for advanced industry applications. In 2023, the H12 Pro upgraded the original H12 platform, adding Ethernet camera support on the receiver side and Ethernet sharing capability on the ground unit, significantly enhancing system scalability. With this, the H series gradually completed its mission, and the focus shifted toward the new G series. Starting in 2024, Skydroid introduced the G series, emphasizing ecosystem synergy and system integration. Unlike the previous one-to-one model binding of the T and H series, the G series introduced the GR01 receiver, enabling flexible multi-device combinations and stronger ecosystem interconnectivity. The G12 marked the beginning of this new generation. Powered by a Qualcomm 6nm processor and running Android 13, it offered smooth performance and an open ecosystem supporting mainstream app installations. With a new 2.45.8G dual-band wireless module, automatic frequency hopping, and dynamic MCS adjustment, transmission distance reached up to 20 kilometers. It featured a 5.5-inch 1920x1080 high-brightness screen and supported SIM, USB, Type-C, PPM, and SDK development. The G20 upgraded to a 7-inch 1920x1200 high-brightness display, added dual cooling fans, and expanded physical buttons and channel configurations for enhanced professional operation. In 2025, the G30 pushed performance even further. Still powered by a Qualcomm 6nm processor but upgraded to Android 14, transmission distance increased to 30 kilometers. A new fiber optic interface allowed switching between wireless and wired modes, delivering ultra-high bandwidth, ultra-low latency, and strong anti-interference performance. Interfaces included Type-C, SIM, RJ45, PPM, USB upgrade port, dual serial pass-through, dual Ethernet, SBUS, PWM, and audio output. It featured a 10.1-inch 1920x1200 industrial sunlight-readable display for high-end industry demands. In early 2026, the G16 was introduced as an evolutionary successor to the H16. Maintaining a familiar structural design but updated in white, it runs Android 13 and features a 2.45.8G high-power dual-band wireless module with automatic frequency hopping and dynamic MCS adjustment. Transmission distance reaches 30 kilometers, delivering core performance upgrades while retaining a familiar control feel. From the entry-level integrated design of the T series, to the intelligent industrial ground stations of the H series, and now to the ecosystem-driven G series, Skydroid's product line shows a clear evolutionary path. Each upgrade represents not only performance improvements, but also expanded application scenarios and stronger system integration capabilities. That concludes our comprehensive overview of Skydroid transmitter development. If you'd like to see detailed reviews or real-world flight tests of specific models, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the World Drone Market channel. We'll continue bringing you more unmanned system equipment reviews and user guides. See you in the next video.